this year, it's a different kind of stage that we're looking forward to lighting up. I'm on my way to the tiny village of Beharda, in the middle of Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh. 2 years ago, when I decided to give my parents an anniversary gift of a special kind by lighting up a village as part of the Light a Billion Lives program, I didn't know what repercussions and consequences it would have in terms of changing the lives of the people that we're trying to affect. Today, I'm about to discover that. Here we are, standing on a busy highway, running on both sides parallelly all the way, these big electric poles. Almost signifying or symbolizing our lives the way they're completely sandwiched, insulated in the urban lives that we lead. What's incredible is that barely 90 kilometers away, a village has been waiting for the last 40 years for these electric poles to reach them. Today, in this journey, joining me are my wife Priyanka and the NDTV team. Rupali is here. We're looking forward to going out there and experiencing this together.
So we're going to leave for Beharda village. It's a 3-hour drive from here. Are you all set?
Yeah, I'm excited. I mean, I think for me as an individual, the most exciting thing is to be a catalyst or to be an agent of change. I want to go and see, I mean, more than anything else, I want to see the difference that, Light a Billion Lives has made, and through Light a Billion Lives, our family and Yashodhara Oberoi Foundation has made in the lives of these people. I want to go back home and talk about this to my parents, talk about it on Twitter and see how many more people would be interested or inspired to come on board and be a part of this amazing program.
Wonderful. And there's one more thing you'll be talking about, is Priyanka's debut on television. Let's go. Vivek, your expectations today, you're going to the village you adopted during our Greenathon campaign. So what are the thoughts in your mind?
It's really special for me because कुछ साल पहले mom and dad की सालगिरह के लिए on their anniversary, I really wanted to give them something special. I wanted to do something special as a gift to my parents. And when the concept of Light a Billion Lives came in front of me, I was really inspired and I said, this is what I'd like to do. और जब चेक काटा तब पता नहीं था कि कहाँ जाएगा, क्या होगा, किस तरह से लोगों की ज़िंदगी पर असर पड़ने वाला है. And then when I got a call from NDTV again, I mean, I've been associated with Greenathon 1, Greenathon 2. We've been trying to, actively fundraise because there's the integrity that, all of NDTV comes with. So, one, physically going and seeing what difference it's made and hearing like different stories and anecdotes from you because you've been traveling so much with this program has been really exciting. And to do it with Priyanka, I mean, she's really camera shy.
Yeah, I know.
She refuses to do any interviews or anything. And when she said she was okay coming along, I just asked her, I said, you want to come along? And she said, I'd love to.
Wow, wonderful. It's great to have you on the show. Vivek, आपके लिए green cause क्या मायने रखता है?
बहुत मायने रखता है क्योंकि कुछ समय पहले एक अवार्ड्स फंक्शन पर मुझे अवार्ड दिया गया फॉर ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव्स. और अगर देखें तो ये जो बीज हैं हम आने वाली पीढ़ी पर उनके मन में इस वक्त बो रहे हैं. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट NDTV Greenathon, जब इतने सारे सितारे उनके फेवरेट स्टार्स टेलीविजन पर आकर उनसे इस कॉज के लिए प्रचार कर रहे हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं और दिखा रहे हैं कि वो कितने इस कॉज को लेकर पैशनेट हैं. लोगों की रुचि, बच्चों की रुचि खासकर, उनके इंटरेस्ट लेवल्स, उनकी क्यूरियोसिटी ग्रीन कॉजेज और इनिशिएटिव्स में बढ़ रही है.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.